just watch it. Okay, if you like my video, like it and subscribe it. What, you want to spray it? You need to print a piece of paper that has a lot of pictures, and yeah, and then you can cut whatever you like. And I already cut some piece of paper that my sister cut it. This is a fun part. You need perfume, and then you spray it in a piece of paper down on the table. Spray it. Okay, and then you kind of smooth it with your hands. Okay. Then go inside to the water for 2 minutes. Alexa, set 2 minutes. Wait.
I can't find the song Big Eye.
Alexa, play Bad Guy. Ready? Alexa, okay. Stop. Now, you get your arms in shape. Let me do it first. You get my Sharky. I'm gonna get my flower. I'm gonna get my bird. Okay, this is my 7th tattoo. And then you have to spray one more time. Okay. Okay, make sure if you don't move. If you move, it doesn't work. So when you keep going crazy, it moves. That means it moves. And you have to wait for 5 minutes. Alexa, set 5 minutes. Casey, can you help me to spray my shisha? I'm doing another tattoo. Now it's already done. You don't. I have another video. You just watch it. If you like it, subscribe it. I do robot.